And it's Cuadrado. He's pinged one through here, and the counter is on. Rivaldo.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Running around caught up in the swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned a stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em, done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around and now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now, I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down, a bus down. I'm on my way up, going up now, and I ain't never gonna touchdown, touchdown. Up. Hate life, then I learn to love. Down and out, now I'm way above. I always knew I had it, now I'm living out my dreams. Treat that money like an addict, it's a habit, I'm a fiend. Feeling that rush, rocket ready to launch. Hands up, ready and gone, been waiting too long. Trust on plenty, that's wrong. Old me's dead and that's gone, thank God I'm headstrong. I don't wanna wake up with a doubt that I show 'em everything I'm about. I ain't never going out, I ain't never getting for no clout. Now I'm sitting pretty on the cloud. I can finally say I'm up now, I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down, a bus down. I'm on my way up, going up now, and I ain't never gonna touchdown, touchdown.
Have come out in their droves for this match. Why would they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to a goal! Messi, and it's Kluivert. Cuadrado. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. It's a fabulous Messi! Oh, that is very close.
Yeah, the shot was enabled, Peter, due to such smart control and technique.
Davis. And it's played forward. And here's Lewandowski. Ronaldinho. Lewandowski. It's Lewandowski! What a wonderful goal!
And some of the best managers I've played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
That was easy, almost too easy.
Lewandowski is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Out to the left it goes. Vieira does well there, alert, hoists it forward. Plays it out to the wing, going through, real chance! Sticks it away!
Well, listen, the writing was on the wall. It looked like this was going to happen, and it has.
That was a given, it always was.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they paid the price and deserved to.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal. It just got caught napping.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Kroos clips one through. Cuadrado. Messi. Promising move that, good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Sergio Ramos tries to get it forward quickly. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Now it's Kvng. Now it's Lewandowski. Rivaldo. He's got away. Messi. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Oh, he's gifted it back. He's on his way. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Brilliant save from Donnarumma. He's done very well to get to that.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Gets up to hit it. Back of the net. They've done it. It was coming. They have their reward. Great corner, and he did the rest.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Climate! He's pulled off a fine save.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Good save, he got a decent fist on that.
There just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive.
I'm